He's just like, Scruffy! Scruffy!
Come on, Scruffy, do it again.
Come here, buddy. Well,
That
hello.
video going down.
Oh, hello. Oh.
Who's that, Rex?
That's all right. You're not going to get this. Was it a shock for you when you saw him? Get that clean off me. Dang it. Check him out, Rex. Who is that, Rex? Who's that, Rex? Who's that? He's like, I'm busy. I'm in your lap. Who is that, Rex? It's like, he's been doing this for the last 5 minutes. Going over, smelling him. It's like, he said, Dad, there's a new dog here. I don't know what he's doing here, but I've been checking him out. I'm really not sure what this is about.
It smells funny.
Duffy's like, are you finished yet?
Do I amuse
Because
you?
I'm finished.
Hey, Scruffy.
Scruffy! Scruffy, buddy. He's like, I don't care about you. Oh, Scruffy! Scruffy! What a weird dog. Scruffy! Come here, Scruffy. Come on, buddy. Come on, Scruffy. Come on.
She's like, no, I gotta go out in the backyard and get dirty.